You're alone, the fan hums, the shower runs. Then suddenly, you hear it, a whisper, a name, a voice that isn't there. Why? Because your brain is terrified of silence. It would rather invent meaning than face the void. Think about it. When was the last time you truly sat in silence? No distractions, no screens. Just you and the abyss. You can't. Because in that silence, your deepest fears surface. This isn't just about noise, it's about control. Your mind is a pattern-seeking machine, hardwired to find threats, stories, and hidden messages. Evolution didn't reward those who ignored rustling leaves. It rewarded the ones who assumed it was a predator. Now, that same hypervigilance turns static into voices, chaos into conspiracy. The question isn't why you hear them, it's why you're so afraid of what they might mean. But here's the truth. Those voices are yours. The subconscious doesn't whisper, it screams. And when the world is loud enough to drown it out, your brain invents a way to make you listen. What are you avoiding? What truth is buried so deep that even white noise can't hide it? This isn't paranormal, it's psychological. A mirror held up to your deepest insecurities, regrets, and denied desires. So the next time you hear a voice in the static, don't dismiss it, interrogate it. Your mind is trying to tell you something. The real horror isn't the illusion of sound. It's the reality you've been silencing. Wake up, listen, before the noise isn't just in your head, but in your life.